Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14 billion years ago expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, we built a wall. We built the pyramids, math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang.
Newton's first law states that an object in motion remains in motion, or an object at rest stays at rest unless acted on by an outside force. For example, a marble at rest remains at rest until a force acts upon it.
The next example is a frisbee. The frisbee, absent of the force of gravity, would continue to move in motion, but due to the force of gravity, there is a force acting upon it in order to stop the frisbee's motion.
If two objects are hit with the same force and they have different masses, the one with the lighter mass will have a higher acceleration.
For example, you have this 15-pound medicine ball and this 8-pound medicine ball. If I was to kick them with the same force, the one that is 15 pounds will have a slower acceleration than the one that is 8 pounds. For example. As you can tell, the 8-pound ball had a faster acceleration than the 15-pound ball.
Newton's second law is represented by the equation force equals mass times acceleration. The third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So the force of gravity is acting on these two marbles here, but the force of the table is counteracting the force of gravity, keeping the marbles in place on the table.
In an isometric bicep curl, Cheese's weight is pulling a force that's pushing down on my hand, but my hand and my arm muscles are pulling with the same force up in the opposite direction.